The surprising plant world. Amorphophallus titanium, the corpse flower. The corpse flower bears the world's tallest flower, a Guinness Book of Records height of 10 feet, 2.25 inches. It flowers only a few times during its 40 years of life, and during the first 8 hours or so, the flower emits a perfume that reminds people of the smell of rotten eggs or a dead animal. That odor attracts beetles and flies which pollinate the flower. Dracæna cinnaberi, the dragon blood tree. Dragon blood tree gets its name from the deep red color of its sap, which was said to resemble dragon's blood. In the 18th century, the sap was used for toothpaste. It's still used locally today as a dye and for lipstick. Welwitschia mirabilis, 2 leaves cannot die. Welwitschia mirabilis is found in the deserts of Namibia, which is in Africa. It was named after Friedrich Welwitsch, who was the first European to describe the plant in 1859. This plant has only 2 leaves, a stem, and roots. The stem grows thicker rather than higher, reaching a height of around 6 feet, but a diameter of about 24 feet. This plant can survive for up to 5 years without rain, and it can live for 400 to 2,000 years. Hydnora africana, jackal fruit. Jackal fruit grows underground in southern Africa. Only its flower grows above the ground. This plant does not contain chlorophyll, and so it cannot make its own food. Instead, it attaches its roots to other plants. The flower's unusual shape and bristles direct beetles into its center, which smells of animal droppings. The beetles are then trapped inside the flower. The flower doesn't harm the beetle that it traps, however. It just holds them until it's mature, then releases them to pollinate other Hydnora africana flowers. Aldrovanda vesiculosa, waterwheel plant. The waterwheel plant is a close relation to the Venus flytrap, but this plant lives in the water. The plant lives as a free-floating stem which range in length from 6 centimeters to 40 centimeters. The trap leaves, which are 2 millimeters to 3 millimeters in size, grow in whorls of 5 to 9, spaced closely together along the stem. The traps themselves close when small aquatic invertebrates come in contact with the trigger hairs. The trap's closing movement is the fastest known movement of any plant in the world.